All right, so the other really cool feature of this is that I can record myself as I do this section of song that or whatever has been assigned. You know what I'm trying to say. Words are not my friend right now. Anyway, very important. You're going to want some headphones. You notice mine are back on. Headphones, because otherwise we're going to catch your voice and the recording. I just want to hear your voice, and I'm sure Miss Maroney just wants to hear your instrument. So please wear headphones. If they have a mic built in for singers, that's fine. If you don't have a mic built in, you can just use your computer's microphone. That works out too. So for recording, let's see. Let's say that I want to record just the first 4 measures. Let's say that that's the assignment. Okay. So I've marked off the first 4 measures. I'm going to go to record. It's going to ask if I want microphone access, and I'm going to say allow. It'll count in. Suryano Chandirano Yarivano Satana Solu Sera Pandia Surana Mimano Solu Solu Satana Solu. And it'll do its own thing. I hope I got a good score. Nope, I didn't get the best score. I haven't really practiced this a ton, but it gets, so as you see, you get your rhythm score, you get your pitch score, and you get an overall score. I've set this one to be, I want a minimum of an 80, and you got to make sure that, and I've set it to easy too, because it can be a little rough when you don't have it on easy. The other thing, if you don't have the score, you can check. It'll tell you short rhythm. It tells you what your mistakes were and what you need to check out. So the green is better, orange is not, red is really not good. Okay, so that's how you go about recording. If you don't like the recording you made, you can just record again. If you're like in the middle and it's not long enough, you can just hit stop. We're going to close. It's fine. I also want to show you. So here's what happens if you don't have your headphones in. Suryano Chandirano Yarivano. I was totally wrong. So I'm going to ignore that part. We'll cut that out. I can leave the headphones off. The other thing you can do is if you go into the tracks right here, playback options, you can ask it for the metronome, in the playback anyway, but also in the recording, ask it to follow. You can ask for a metronome instead if you need that. You can also ask for the backing track, which would negate the metronome. But so like, again, this is a harder one. If you need that backing track, it's okay, but here is why. Here is why you need to have headphones when you use the backing track. See, it even tells you that you should do that. Suryano Chandirano Yarivano Satana Solu. It's like it can be helpful, but if I now hit play, Suryano Chandirano Yarivano Satana Suryano. I only want to hear you. I don't want to hear that other thing. So just remember, not parts, sorry, wrong thing. In tracks, you can have it follow you for that. You can also change the metronome if you would prefer. You can have the backing track, but always headphones, and it will remind you too. That's how you record.